Hi guys, Rod here. Today I'm gonna show you how to perform the restoration glitch. With this glitch, you can restore any Legends car for free. Let's do it. First thing you need to do is to put any Legends car that you have already restored in your last garage in the last position. I'm going to my last garage, which is 62. As you can see here, I have a Ferrari 250 GTO in the last position. We must buy a Legends car to restore. I'm gonna hit buy cars, find Legends, as I am a little short on money, I try to find the cheapest car here to restore. So I will use gold and buy this 300 SL. Once we have placed our already restored Legends car in our last garage, in the last place, and once that we have already bought any Legends car to restore, hit the inbox button to the top left. I will hit on News, I will hit on Let's Go in any event that shows up here. So if there are no events showing up, just wait, because every day some event pops up here. I will tap on Let's Go now. Just dismiss this window and tap on Back. And what you can see here is that our 300 SL was replaced by this Ferrari that was in the last place in our last garage. Now everything you need to do is to tap on Restore, and once you have tapped on Restore, just tap on Deliver. The screen will go black, but don't worry, that's what happens. Just close the app and start it again. So as you can see, our 300 SL is here, just after our Ferrari. The Ferrari was our last car. Now we have one more car, which is the one we restored. Our 300 SL just here. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, just leave a comment below. Bye.